Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to learn the letter Ha and some example words and phrases. Ha, ha, ha. It is the first letter in the Amharic or Ge'ez alphabet. Ha. For example, if you want to say necklace in Amharic, you can say habil, 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 habil. If you want to say I bought a necklace, you can say habil gezahu, habil gezahu. Habil gezahu. Habil is necklace. Gezahu is I bought. Habil gezahu. The next one is hawalt. Hawalt. Hawalt is statue. Hawalt. For example, if you want to say the Statue of Liberty, you can say የነጻነት ሐውልት. የነጻነት ሐውልት. የነጻነት ሐውልት. The next word is ሀገር. ሀገር. ሀገር is country. ሀገር. For example, if you want to say it is my favorite country, you can say ደስ የሚለኝ ሀገር ነው. ደስ የሚለኝ ሀገር ነው. It's my favorite country. ደስ የሚለኝ ሀገር ነው. ደስ የሚለኝ means my favorite. ሀገር means country. No means is. ደስ የሚለኝ ሀገር ነው. The next word is ኃላፊነት. ኃላ ፊ net. ኃላፊነት. Responsibility. ኃላፊነት. ኃላፊነት. If you want to say it is my responsibility, you can say የእኔ ኃላፊነት ነው. የእኔ ኃላፊነት ነው. የእኔ ኃላፊነት ነው. የእኔ means my. ኃላፊነት means responsibility. No means is or it is. የእኔ ኃላፊነት ነው. የእኔ ኃላፊነት ነው. It is my responsibility. If you want to say it is not my responsibility, you can say የእኔ ኃላፊነት አይደለም. የእኔ ኃላፊነት አይደለም. የእኔ ኃላፊነት አይደለም. የእኔ means my. ኃላፊነት means responsibility. አይደለም means it's not. የእኔ ኃላፊነት አይደለም. The next word is ሐሜት. ሐሜት. ሐሜት is gossip. ሐሜት. For example, if you want to say he doesn't like gossip, you can say እሱ ሐሜት አይወድም. እሱ ሐሜት አይወድም. እሱ ሐሜት አይወድም. እሱ ሐሜት አይወድም. Esu means he. Hamit means gossip. Aywedim means he doesn't like. Esu Hamit aywedim. The next word is hamle. 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 Hamle is July. Hamle. For example, if you want to say, we're going to go in July, you can say, Enya hamle lai linhead no. Enya hamle lai linhead no. Enya hamle lai linhead no. We're going to go in July. Enya means we. Hamle lai means in July. Linhead no. Linhead no means we're gonna go. Linhead no. We're gonna go. Inya hamle lai linhead no. We're gonna go in July. The next word is habtam. 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 Habtam is rich. Habtam. For example, if you want to say she is rich, you can say Eswa habtam not. Eswa, she, habtam, rich, not. She is not. Eswa habtam not. Eswa habtam not. Or you can just ignore the pronoun she and the pronoun she or Eswa, and you can say habtam not. Habtam not. If you want to say he is rich, you can say Esu habtam no. But instead of saying Esu habtam no, you can ignore the word Esu and you can say habtam no. Habtam no. If you want to say I'm rich, you can say Any habtam name. Any I habtam rich name. I am. But you can just say habtam name. እነሱ habtam nacho. They are rich. They are rich. እነሱ habtam nacho. እነሱ habtam nacho. Or you can ignore the personal pronoun እነሱ and you can just say habtam nacho. Habtam nacho. If you want to say we are rich, እኛ habtam ነን. እኛ habtam ነን. እኛ habtam ነን. Or you can ignore the personal pronoun እኛ and you can just say habtam ነን. አንተ habtam ነህ. Ante habtam neh. You are rich. This is when you're saying it to a male. Ante habtam neh. Ante habtam neh. You can ignore the personal pronoun ante and you can just say habtam neh. Habtam neh. And when you're saying it to a female, you can say habtam nish. Habtam nish. Habtam nish. Last but not least, these letters over here are pronounced the same way as the letter ha, and you can use them interchangeably. And that's it for today, and thank you for watching.